Folks, they're spotty, but they're out there. Showers popping up on the First Warn 5 Doppler network this afternoon, right there on 10th Street in McAllen as we speak, from about Business 83 all the way up to about Nolana. You saw Christian out there saying it was raining just a few minutes ago, just to the east of 10th Street. Also raining right up and down 107 from Alton westward. Points west from there, then also a couple of showers down around Grand Hano. Let's go back to the west. Actually had some lightning near Roma in the last few minutes or so. Now it's just a pretty heavy rainstorm moving across Roma as we speak. And then up in the northern part of the valley, up in the ranch land, some pretty good showers all west of Highway 281 now, out in and around San Ysidro. A little bit of lightning showing up with that as well. But again, on the big picture, you see everything pretty spotty this afternoon. And Future Track says that stuff fades on away tonight, and most of the night's quiet. We can't rule out a spotty shower overnight, but look at tomorrow. Things really wake up tomorrow. The next disturbance moves in, gives us a shower thunderstorm. Best chances in the afternoon, starting near the coast and then working its way inland. You see some yellows, even a little orange in there. So there's potential for some pretty heavy rainfall. As long as it keeps moving, that's okay. You could pick up a quick inch of rain in a couple of spots, but if it slows down or stalls or it trains or you get more storms coming over the top of you, you could end up with more than that. Saturday, I think things are a little less active, but there's still scattered showers around. And then Sunday, spotty showers and storms again, but even less active by the time we get to Sunday. Here's what's going on. Clouds overhead, but we got two systems. One that's off to the west of us right now. That one's pulling away, drawing some moisture in behind it. Then the next system in the northern Gulf is going to continue pushing back to the west. That's what's going to ramp our rain chances up for tomorrow as it moves right across the top of us, and then it pulls moisture in behind it for Saturday and Sunday. So the chance of rain will be with us for a few days. In the meantime, in the Atlantic, there's a tropical storm in there. Can you find it? Look at it. You can find it. It's right there. It's Beryl, upgraded today, 10.3 and 42.8, the season's second named storms. Winds are 50 miles per hour. Hurricane Center suggests it'll become a hurricane by early Saturday morning, but then that's it. Once it gets close to the Lesser Antilles, it stops right here because the next advisory is gone. Poof. By Monday, it's no longer on the map. It's a lot of shear, and that's the end of that. That's it. It's got a clear road ahead of it. But up in the Atlantic, just to the east of Florida, another system bears watch. That's got a decent chance of developing, but that one should stay out to sea. Here's where we are temperature-wise right now. Everybody in the 90s except Port Isabel at 88 degrees. Low temperatures tonight should bottom out in the upper 70s, low 80s, and then tomorrow, likely we're right back up in the upper 80s and low 90s, but I say upper 80s and low 90s. That's a significant cool down, but with that chance of rain, temperatures should stay just a little bit cooler across the area tomorrow. The normal high is 95. We're going 90, 91, 93. So with those rain chances, stay a little below normal. And there's that rain chance, 60% tomorrow, 40 on Saturday, and then 30 on Sunday. The most active day looks like it will be tomorrow across the valley. So for tonight, could be a passing shower overnight, but for the most part, it's dry, mostly cloudy, east-northeasterly winds. Then tomorrow, mostly cloudy again, a 60% chance for a shower or thunderstorm. Your high tomorrow right around 90 degrees, winds out of the northeast much of the day. 90, 91, 93, we go 60, 40, 20. You saw the rain chances tapering off. And even next week, it's hard to say any day will be completely dry, but I think you're talking no more than isolated showers after the weekend, no more than 20% or less as we head into early next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.